demonstration, we're going to show how to remove the hose barb. The hose barb is in this area here. The first part of the operation is to remove the entire hose from the vapor machine. The second step would be to take the foam insulator and slide it down in order to expose the hose head. Next, remove the Phillips head screw and the handle. The next step is to remove the red retaining clip. This clip is removed, it's going to be broken, and it'll have to be replaced with a new one. Okay. In order to break the red clip, take a screwdriver and place it in the slot and wedge it behind the ridges on the hose barb. You pry this until this hose barb breaks. Okay, now you can see that the hose barb is totally free from the handle. This is the portion that failed. We're going to replace this. This is the hose barb to be replaced. Next step, to slide the hose out. When you slide the hose out, notice the strain relief that holds the hose to the hose nozzle. Notice the orientation, the electric cord, and the steam hose. Okay, remove the steam hose and disconnect the clamp. Okay. Okay, at this step you want to relax the hose by stretching it out. This will enable you to grab the end where the nozzle is, pulling it to get some slack. Okay, the next step is to trim the hose back as far as the broken hose barb. Next, place the clamp on the hose and insert the new hose barb. Okay, next, take the clamp and secure it to the hose barb. Okay, with the hose barb oriented in this manner. In other words, these fins have to be up and down. The red clip, the retaining clip, will have to go into this hole and into this slot. It slides in snug. Now's the time to replace the red retaining clip. Next, you want to take the flex tube casing and slide it forward The object is to eliminate some of the slack in the hose. Properly orient the strain relief with the steam hose and the electric wire. Slide a portion of the way in, and install the other half. Now slide the strain relief into the handle and amazingly the hole lines up in the handle, so you're able to insert the Phillips head screw. Okay, now just screw the Phillips head screw in to secure the hose and everything. This whole entire operation is much easier if two people are involved.